Okay, so we're in our event setup manager here. We're going to come into our pixel. We're going to use the partner integration because we're going to use Shopify here. So you click select partner integration. You're going to scroll down and you're going to select Shopify. It's going to walk you through step by step. So here it's just telling us that we need to go open up a new tab and select the online store. So let's do that. Okay, so we're going to go now to our online store and we're going to click in here. We're going to follow the steps. So it's telling us to select online store. We've done that. So next is telling us we need to select our preferences. So back we go to Shopify. We're going to scroll down. It's going to see preferences on the left-hand side. Now I haven't filled in any of this information here. So if you want to SEO up your site, you want to be filling in that information. So we're going to come down here to the Facebook pixel. Okay, so Shopify is just outlining here that everything that Facebook will be able to do and help you with. So let's go back into our event setup tool and I want you to grab the pixel code here. So you want to copy this code and then we're going to go back into our Shopify store and we're going to enter our pixel in. So we're going to just scroll down and we're going to click add sales channel. Just waiting for it to load up here. Okay, so now we're going to connect our account. So it's actually going to connect your personal account here. So you just want to enter your username and your password here. Okay, so you entered your password, then you're just going to confirm the connection to Shopify.
Okay, so continue
and
with
click
me.
OK.
So,
Next, we're going to connect the business manager. So I just can't show you because it basically will give you a list of business manager accounts that you have access to. So you want to select the one that you want. Then you're going to attach your Facebook page. Again, if you're multiple Facebook pages that are attached to your profile, it's going to show up here. I attached the ad account that we're using in this instance, which isn't active. So it's just telling me I need to update payment details because it's a dummy account. The next we have here is the data sharing. So you want to give it permissions. And then next you're going to do your target country. So wherever you are. And then you're going to click accept. So it's going to flag me for my ad account. So you want to go and hit, make sure you have everything updated and hit finish setup, and then I'll show you what it looks like on so this is what it looks like then when you've got it set up. So you have your accounts there. So it should be your Facebook business manager, your account, your Instagram account, all of them are selected in there. Your marketing settings, your commerce settings, and the data sharing. The data sharing is the most important one because this is where your pixel is attached. So don't worry if you're watching this and it's not exactly lining up, because Facebook and Shopify do change their layouts, but Shopify is very much a step-by-step process that it's extremely hard to go wrong. Facebook on the other end might be slightly different. So I have popped a link below this video if you do need help. There's a Facebook business article that you can follow that will hopefully guide you, but fingers crossed everything goes well on that side.